In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Goodday. We'll walk through the basic process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a new dashboard whenever you need one. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you understand what's happening on screen and why each click matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday workspace and that you can see the main navigation area on the left side of your screen. This is where you access most of your tools and views. To start creating a new dashboard, move your mouse to the left sidebar and look for the plus sign. This plus sign is essentially your shortcut for adding something new in Goodday, whether that's a project, a view, or in our case, a dashboard. Click on the plus sign on the left. When you do this, a small menu or panel will open, showing you different types of items you can create. Take a moment to look at these options so you get familiar with what's available in your workspace. From that list, find and click on the option labeled Dashboard. This tells Goodday that you want to create a new dashboard view. Once you click it, you'll typically see a setup window or a form where you can define what kind of dashboard you're creating. This is where the select part comes in. In this selection area, you may be choosing the type of dashboard, a template, or the workspace or project that the dashboard will be based on, depending on how your Goodday account is configured. Carefully review the options you see. If there is a template that matches what you need, such as a general overview or a team performance dashboard, go ahead and select that. If it's more generic, simply choose the most appropriate option offered for your use case. After you've made your selection, the final step is to confirm it. Look for the Submit button in the setup window. This button is what actually creates the dashboard with the options you've just chosen. Click on Submit. Goodday will now generate your new dashboard based on those settings. Once it loads, you can start customizing it further by adding widgets, adjusting filters, or rearranging elements to match how you like to see your data. And that's all it takes to create a dashboard in Goodday. Click the plus sign, choose Dashboard, make your selection, and hit Submit.